갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다.
What's up, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to say a big thank you to you all for those that have been sharing my video. My subscribers, I want to say thank you. My new subscribers, I want to say thank you. For those that have not subscribed, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. God bless you as you do so. Okay? So on today's video, I'll be motivating people. But I'm going to use pidgin English. Okay? Today's video, I want to motivate people. I want to motivate people. So I want to try and make and motivate people. I want to motivate myself. I want to motivate you. I want to motivate a lot of people. I want to motivate many people. But what you could do be say, maybe you just have to stay down. Keep calm. Stay with me. Till the end of this video. I will tell you, say, you're not going to regret them. Okay? I promise you, you will learn something for this video. And may you calm yourself down, may you learn something for this video. And this video will help most of us. Okay? So, if you be YouTuber, you know they get view. People know they watch your video. Things not they go well for you. I go tell you, say, maybe you don't give up. Okay? This video is for you. If you go school, you finish school, you get degree, full everywhere, you go here. After all those things, you not see person they employ you. You feel like give up. I will tell you, maybe you not give up. Okay? This video is for you. If you be man, you be woman, you learn work. Nobody want to employ you for work. Because you learn work, you know your work, they don't want to call you for work. I will tell you, maybe you not give up. This video is for you. If you be woman, any man when you marry, they don't leave you. I will tell you, maybe you not give up. This video is for you. If you be man, any woman when you meet, not they love you. I will tell you, maybe you not give up. This video is for you. If you be actor, you be actress. People know they call you for movie. They don't want to use you for a movie. I will tell you, maybe not give up. This video is for you. I will start with one example. So he get one boy. This boy stay with his grandfather. He ask his grandfather money. Then his grandfather look, say he get one Mercedes 1965 model. Then this man come and say, I get one Mercedes Benz 1965 model. The boy say, hey. The father say, can I make you go sell her? The boy goes, okay. The boy carry the car. Can I go give one man say one seller? Listen well for this story when they give you. Okay? Try me understand the story. Keep your mind down. Understand the story. So this boy go carry the car. That Mercedes, can I go give this man? The man price am $1,000. The boy can come out. Come tell Papa say, Papa, that man price this car $1,000. The father say, can I go give another person? The boy can I go club? He can reach club. The owner of the club come see the car. The owner of the club say, because the car not old, the car not very useful. He say, we give him $100. The boy come first. Carry the car go back, say, Papa, the people when I carry the car go meet, say, will give me $100. And the other one say $1,000. The father say, can I give another person? The boy say, Papa, don't tire. You better if I can give that man when he price am $1,000. The father say, can I give another person? The boy might come go, can I go come for the Duke car? He can't reach there. He can't tell the man, say, I won't sell this my car, 1965 model. The man call look at a Mercedes Benz, old model. They can't check and open the engine, check the body. They can't look the boy. Because he won't sell and the boy say yes. The man say, because of this car now 1965 model and an old model, and the way the car take day, I'm going because of that one give you $100,000. The boy shout, the boy jump up, the boy cry. The tears of joy fall come out for the guy eyes. So I use this opportunity to tell you, say, if you go school, you finish school, nobody won't employ you. You dey sell pure water for street. I dey tell you this moment, say, no go babalawo place. If you go babalawo place, you go start to dey call your brother winch. You go start to dey call your sister winch. Start to dey call your mother winch. Start to call your father winch. That time you don't cause problem for the family. You don't dey dislike some because babalawo go lie for you. Nobody dey hold your destiny. Your mother when they carry you for belle for 9 months, if she won't kill you, for don't kill you since. You think that they give old person wish? That they give wish, they give small people, they give wish, small pikin when you no fit talk. So you not be say your mother don't born you, now she shop wish. Why she not kill you when you dey belle? She can't train you from 1 year to 18 months. She not kill you. Now when you do this, when you look for a job, you don't finish school, now she won't call to delay your destiny. Now big lie. Babalawo will lie to you. Nobody delay your destiny. Now because a person when you know your value, you never meet him. If you meet that person when you know your value, the person will employ you. Okay, I beg. If you be auntie, you be uncle, you learn work. Nobody won't employ you. No go babalawo place. If you go babalawo place, you won't call your family wish. You won't cause problem for that family. You want to dislike some people, they like some people. You want to dislike the community when you did. Because they will tell you, say, you don't want old man with your community now wish. One old man with your community now wish. Now they worry you. By that time, you don't dislike some, they hate some. You don't cause problem. Same way to go kill innocent person. And I lie the babalawo lie to you. You know, they never employ you because you never meet the person when you know the value of the work when you learn. If you meet that person, he will employ you. If you be woman, any man when you marry, that's so problem you they get. So wahala. The man they love you. For problem to problem. No go babalawo place. No go do make the man love you. No go push sham for the man, make the man love you. Let the man go. Now because you never meet the man when he love you for the way you are. For the way your body did, the way you look, the way your hands flat. The way your breast make your breast your hands flat. The way your hands flat. You know the person will love you the way like that. The way your belly big, the way you fat like banku, the way you fight like a rubber keyboard. The person will love you like that today. You hear me? No go look for one, no go look for person to love you, no go do sham. If you be man, your woman don't love you. No go do sham, no go do love medicine. No go babalawo place. No go they catch your family wish. You know why? Person when he love you the way you are, if you take poor, you don't get anything so. You don't get money. You don't feel carry woman go outside, go stroke. Because you don't get money. Person when he go love you the way you are. When you know they like problem. When you quiet like you. It will come your way. If you be YouTuber, you know they get views. Your video when you upload, you know they touch them. Views know they come. No cry. No vex. No call your family wish. Not say na village people they worry you know. Now because people when they know the value of that your video when you they do so, people when they know the value of that your channel when you create, people when they know the value of the things when you do for that your channel, they never come across that channel. If they come across, they go share the videos they add. They go spread the news. You hear me? Don't give up. If you won't give up, go back to that story when I give you. When that man gave that boy 1965 Mercedes, make it go sell. The boy carry and reach one man place. The man price at 1,000. The boy move forward and price at 100. Difference of 900. Oh, the boy almost give up. The father tell him, wait till old man sit down for share. See, if you like me, you climb Iroko tree. You know go fit see him. The man tell him say move forward. Go look for another person. Wait till happen. That is it. You listen to that, go back to that story, think that story before you give up. Listen to that story when I give to you. You know, will give up. Look, just the car did it, look at. If you be actor, anytime when you act movie, people know you as the actor. You know they make money, nothing, you know they shine, nothing. They see you say you be actor, people they call your name up and down, but inside you, nothing they play, money not day, nothing. I will tell you something, you not give up. If you be actor, director know they call you for movie, people know they call you for movie, producer know they call you for movie, nobody they call you for movie. Your name they say you the art. You just the dress, the form say you the art every time. And a lie. Maybe now once in a year you the art. I will tell you say make you never give up. Not call your mother wish. Not go babalawo play do sham they call you for movie. Stay. The director when you know your value. The time when God say you go shine, you go come, you go shine. Make that opportunity to motivate you. If you be footballer, you dey play ball well for street, they play ball for backyard. People know you as a great player, but club no one sign you. Not give up. Not go babalawo place. If you go there, you go call your mother wish. You don't mind go pour for your mother head. You don't mind burn your mother to ashes because of lying babalawo lie to you. Because babalawo there, most of them go school. Their time never reach to shine. They can't enter babalawo work. So they find any way to lie. Anything when you just go now, they look front, look back. They know if they mention your mother name, you could believe. If they mention your neighbor name, you could believe. They will just mention that for this and that and they worry you. May you go ahead and fight them. That's how you don't cause problem for granted. What you go do be say, you got to use your brain. So this video now to motivate more people, to motivate myself, motivate you, motivate a lot of people. What you go do is say, not forget this video, share this video out, make people see it, share to your family, your friends, may they watch this video. May you motivate them as well as I motivate you. If you be say I motivate you truly, try to share for them. May you motivate other people. I beg you. This video is very important. Not be joke be this. If not motivate you, still share the video. You go motivate another person. All fingers are not equal. All fingers not be the same. You see, different days, some long pass on. Tell me you share the video. And don't forget, if you don't know subscribe to this channel, make you subscribe. Okay? Subscribe. And if you subscribe, don't forget to turn the bell on. That bell, so if you go there, you go see one for up. When you say up, you can't vibrate like this, like tolo. And that will be the real bell when on. Because the one when you did down, let me say you off the bell. The one when you did the other one, let me say you silent down. The one when you did middle, let me say the bell no go shine. The one when you did up, so when you do like tolo, when you spread feather down, so the bell vibrate. Anytime when I just drop video, the bell go ring bangam, go watch show, but don't drop video. Not forget to subscribe. And I want to thank you as you take watch and read this hour. God bless you as you take reach this place. Take watch and read share. More bless you to come your way. Thank you very much. And if this video help you, don't forget to drop your comment. I beg. More than give this video thumbs up. Give the video thumbs up, I beg. Give the video thumbs up. Give a thumbs up, I beg. God bless you as you do so. Okay? God bless you. I really appreciate you when you take date in this hour. God bless you. And remember, Bobo, if you don't know me before, my name is Bobo Harrison TV. If this one is your first time, now my face be so, now my face, no make up. Now so me just be. Now so me just be, oh. Pakam. Thank you very much.